How are you, lads? How are we getting on? How are you? How are you, Noel? How are you keeping?
Very good.
I'm better in the kitchen than I am at DIY, unfortunately. Do with a few supplies, let's get going. You lead the way now. Tea bags. Noel, cement mixer, we definitely need one of these for making porridge.
No. Listen, if you could make tea.
That's all we need.
We're always delighted to see the men's shed coming in. They're local lads. We love being able to help them.
I think we're good to go. How are you, lads? How are you getting on?
Men's sheds are social spaces where men can come together, meet other men, share their experiences and learn new skills.
With their projects, there's a huge amount of creativity there, which really benefits the people involved in their local areas. Our members, through this partnership, are delighted to be able to assist men's sheds in their community projects with the types of DIY products that they really need.
The banter and the crack in the shed is absolutely amazing. Speaking to Donncha, he said that it equates with the dressing room to him. Fellas will talk to one another in the dressing room or men's shed, and they won't do it anywhere else.
The partnership between men's sheds and Toplines makes perfect sense for me because they're both embedded in the community. They're both local, looking to do right by their area and their town, their community, and I think that's beautiful.